Setting up Best Egg and LendingClub involves several steps and considerations. First, understand the basics of both platforms. Best Egg is a personal loan provider that offers loans from $2,000 to $50,000 with interest rates ranging from 5.99% to 29.99%. While LendingClub is a peer-to-peer lending platform that offers loans from $1,000 to $40,000, with interest rates ranging from 6.95% to 35.89%. To get started with Best Egg, go to their website and click on Apply Now. Then select the loan amount and purpose, and provide personal and financial information. Best Egg will then review your creditworthiness and provide a loan offer, which you can accept or decline. To set up LendingClub, go to their website and click on Borrow. Then select the loan amount and term, and provide personal and financial information. LendingClub will then review your creditworthiness and provide a loan offer, which you can accept or decline. When comparing Best Egg and LendingClub, consider the interest rates and fees, loan terms and amounts, and the application and approval process. Best Egg is known for its fast application and approval process, while LendingClub is known for its flexible loan terms. In terms of best practices, make sure to review the loan terms and conditions carefully, and consider your financial situation and credit score before applying. It is also important to make timely payments and to communicate with the lender if you are having trouble making payments. Ultimately, the choice between Best Egg and LendingClub depends on your individual financial needs and circumstances. By understanding the basics of both platforms and considering your options carefully, you can make an informed decision and find the best loan for your needs.